Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future, inspired by the wise words of Tony Robbins. So, let's jump right in and see what Tony Robbins predicted for 2025. Tony Robbins predicted this for 2025. 99 won't survive. Hey there, folks. In this video, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: Tony Robbins' predictions for 2025. Now, I'm sure you're all curious about what he had to say, so let's dive right in. Tony Robbins is a renowned life coach, author, and speaker, and his insights are often thought-provoking and insightful. In his 2025 predictions, he shares some bold claims about the future. He predicts that the next 12 months will be a game-changer for many people, and those who ignore his advice may regret it by 2025. So, what's the big deal? Well, Tony Robbins is urging everyone to focus on yourself now, or regret it by 2026. He believes the next 12 months will destroy people who ignore this, that the world is changing at a rapid pace, and those who don't adapt may find themselves struggling to keep up. But don't worry, folks. Tony Robbins has a strategy to help you navigate these changes and thrive in the future. He's sharing his insights in a separate video, so be sure to check it out. That's it for today's video. I hope you found Tony Robbins' predictions for 2025 as intriguing as I did. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.